Hey guys, just want to give a shout out to some of you who have commented on our YouTube. So let me start off with comments on the Rowana Hamir channel. I've got Regina Barrientes who says, so excited to see my painting is on the way. Yay! Pauline Robbery says, I think I would put the prism on just the black areas of the cat so it stood out. Oh, this is a suggestion on the Come Find Me by Lioba Bruckner. Ivy Y says, just beautiful, also on the same painting. Catherine Harper says, beautiful animal. And then I've got Grace Chang who says, love all the colors. How exactly do you use this beadboard in diamond painting? Do the drills go into each of the trays? So I'll actually show you guys how that works in just a bit, so that for those of you who might be very new to the concept of the Diamond Shop beadboards, we can explain exactly what it is for and how to use it for your diamond painting experience. Math Guru says, I'm so excited to receive my DP. Awesome. Catherine Harper says, I've just watched the reveal. Can't wait to get them. Thank you so much. Mrs. Bunnies is excited. Carol Lee says, looking forward to getting it. I've got Dawn Donovan who says, so beautiful, can't wait to get it. And she says, I love my Artemisa. Just have to decide what to put aside so I can do her as soon as possible. That's a good problem to have. Ivy Wise says, thanks for showing us the gems, Zuli. Zuli's having her snack right now, but maybe she'll join me in just a few. I'll go now to the other channel. This is on the... Oh, that one was from the Diamond Shop YouTube channel. This one is on my personal channel, Rowana Hamir. So I'll go and read off some comments. Kick Slab says, happy February, Zuli and Rowana. Thanks, happy February to you too, Kick Slab. And she says, Zuli being makulit. Makulit in Tagalog is actually like, silly, like being like silly. Lepcraft says, thank you for the shout outs, Zuli and Rowana. Looking forward to seeing what new stuff you have going on for February. And then I've got Rosie Hamill who says, love the Chihuahua. Oh, this is regarding the Asha Trier painting. Sandra West says, Jeremiah Morelli is such a talent. Yes, he is. Nicole Bonifant says, thank you so much. Yay, love the celebration. Oh, love dancers. Diane Mansueta says, love this company. Thank you so much, Diane. M. Vic Maligaya says, what is the name of the reporter? Oh, this is with my CNN News report. Well, that is me, Rowana Hamir. Delma Fahi says, congratulations, that was my second medal. I am on my third. This is in reference to the My Conqueror or the Conqueror Challenges medals that I've won, that I shared. Currently, we're waiting for the one that Reggie and I finished for Giza. The Giza pyramids, and then Rocket just finished his, which is the Inca Trail. So that should be coming in the mail all at the same time, and we'll make another video to show you guys how cool the medals are. And I think it's a pretty great way for kids to, you know, get some exercise in, especially during all these restrictions and lockdowns, you know, to still have something to look forward to with regards to physical education. You're done with your snack? Come join me. All right.
That's a bee, Mommy.
Yeah, you're gonna be a little bee later. So we've got, we're saying thank you to everyone for their comments, Zuli.
Yeah.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
I've got Jewel God who says very pretty, but I don't understand it. Oh, this is the beadboard. So let's show everyone how the beadboard works. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we've got Ruby Runner who says, what size is the picture you're showing? And is this squares or rounds? Oh, this is with Jeremiah Morelli's Where Stars Come From. It was actually, I believe, a 50 by 50, and it was in rounds that we were showing in that video. Jamie Novak says, OMG, love this. Thank you for that. This is with Rockets dancing to a long lost song that I wrote back in 2009. So he just did some improv freestyle moves and I decided to post it. Anna Edang also says, great moves, Rocket. Rocket, she says great moves.
Thank you.
And Anna says, hi, Zuli. Say hi, Anna.
Hi, Anna.
Marsha Mulling says, thank you for sharing. They're so beautiful. Have a great day. Be soon. Sandra West says she's gorgeous. Oh, this is the Flowers and Butterflies by Claudia Tremblay. And then Rhonda Helfin says, problem becomes the cover does not stay in the area with beads on it, so doing first becomes a problem. So yeah, this is with the how to use large gems for diamond painting. So basically you can do that two ways. And the one way that you can do it is by starting with the special treatment beads first and then laying on the regular beads, which Rhonda says might be difficult. I believe it would be more difficult if you're using a paper cover, but if you're using a plastic cover, especially if you have cover minders, it should keep the cover in place. And I guess that's a great way to make use of all your cover minders that you've been collecting perhaps. So yeah, the second way to do this special treatment is to just work on your painting as if you're working on it naturally without doing any special treatment. And then in the end, when you finish it, then you can conduct a special treatment on the painting by removing the beads you want to replace with the special beads. So Zuli is going to turn, how old are you going to be tomorrow?
Yeah.
How old?
2.
You're 2 right now. Tomorrow you'll be?
Oh.
What's this? What number is this?
3.
3. You'll be 3 tomorrow, right? Yeah, so tomorrow, Zuli has got a surprise for you guys, and we're gonna get something ready. Let's just show a snippet of it right now. What is this?
It's a wand.
It's a wand. Are you gonna be a little fairy?
No, it's a ladybug.
What? Okay, maybe we'll go get changed into the costume and we shall see you again. In the meantime, thank you so much for all your comments. Be careful with this, Zuli. Thank you so much for all the comments and for watching our videos. And we will send another shout out to you guys for all the comments and the feedback. And meantime, we've got some cool surprises coming up for you, not just for this month, but also for tomorrow, as it is Zuli's birthday on February 11. It is February 10 right now in the Philippines, and Zuli is turning
3.
3.